Hello everyone, this is Dave Mahoney with Dave Mahoney Golf, going over the golf swing of world number one, Dustin Johnson. And to me, one of the biggest reasons why Dustin has been so successful is because he's taken the left side of the course out of play. His go-to tee shot has been a fade, but you never see the guy hook the ball. And if you're someone who hooks the ball, there's a couple of positions that you can practice that's going to help you from hitting that dreaded hook. So right off the bat, you could check halfway down with your swing. You'll notice here Dustin does a great job of creating lag. And lag is this angle here between the club shaft and his left forearm. Practicing this type of position will help you to hold the club face open on the way through and into impact. Next thing I wanted you to pay attention to is how he rotates. Rotating is another great thing to do because it helps the club path move more to the left. You'll see his belt buckle moving left, and you see how that left leg never gets to the outside of that red line. Fantastic position if you're looking to hold the club face open. And then finally, post-impact, you're going to see that he's got a nice line of extension right here from his left arm all the way down the club shaft. This pretty much ensures that the club is not going to turn over and he's not going to hit it left. So, looking at your lag, looking at your rotation, and then holding that club face square through the hit, those three things should help you get on track to moving away from hitting the hook.